Introducing Zmodo's 1080p SPoE system, a capable security system with cameras that transmit power and video over a single cable. Video quality is crystal clear with full 1080p HD. With the modular SPoE repeater, this security system can be customized to fit your needs. Setting up your kit is easy. Connect the cameras to the SPoE repeater using the provided cables. These cables transfer data and power the cameras simultaneously. Please connect all the cameras before proceeding to the next step. Next, connect the SPoE repeater to your router using the included Ethernet cable. Finally, connect the NVR to your router using another Ethernet cable. To view your devices on a TV, connect it to the NVR using the included HDMI cable. Download the Zmodo app from the App Store or Google Play. Please be sure you're connected to your home Wi-Fi network prior to launching the Zmodo app. Log into your account. Pull down the home screen to refresh. Your new smart kit should be automatically detected and added.